Today, we're building a core that protects your spine, improves posture, boosts balance, and makes you stronger in real life, not just in the gym. Your core isn't just abs. It's deep muscles that stabilize your spine, control movement, and transfer power through your entire body. Before intensity, we build awareness. Deep breathing and controlled movement activate the muscles that truly support your lower back. Real strength begins with stability. If you can't control your body, you can't generate real power safely. Balance challenges your core in ways crunches never can. Stability under movement builds strength that carries into real life. Balance challenges your core in ways crunches never can. Stability under movement builds strength that carries into real life. A strong core supports upright posture. When your spine stays aligned, your breathing improves and your strength output increases. Carrying weight challenges your core dynamically. Stability while moving builds strength that translates directly into daily performance. Rotation must be trained with control. When your core guides movement, you generate power without risking lower back strain. Your core connects upper and lower body. When it stays engaged, every squat, lunge, and lift becomes stronger and safer. Before every heavy lift, brace your core like a shield. Internal pressure creates stability and protects your spine under load. Intensity isn't chaos. True core strength keeps your hips steady, even when your legs are moving fast. Training one side at a time forces your core to work harder. It prevents imbalance and builds real-world strength. Resisting overextension strengthens deep abdominal muscles. Control here prevents lower back pain and builds lasting resilience. Real stability shows under fatigue. When your core stays engaged while tired, that's functional strength in action. Your core and breathing system work together. When you learn to control your breath under tension, you improve endurance, stability, and total body strength. Functional core training protects you outside the gym. Proper bracing while lifting everyday objects prevents strain and builds long-term resilience. A strong core stabilizes you during dynamic movement. It absorbs force, improves balance, and helps you change direction with power and control. Even when you're tired, posture matters. A trained core keeps your spine aligned, protecting your back and maintaining confident body language. When your core connects every movement seamlessly, strength flows through your entire body. That integration is what creates powerful, functional performance. Your core is the foundation of every movement you make. When that foundation is strong, your entire body becomes more capable and resilient. True confidence isn't just visual. It comes from stability, control, and knowing your body can handle physical challenges safely. A strong core protects your spine during lifting, bending, and twisting. It reduces injury risk and supports long-term physical health. Functional core strength improves daily performance. Walking, climbing, carrying, everything becomes easier when your center is strong. Strong core, strong life. Train your center with intention, and your strength will show everywhere, not just in the mirror, but in how you move.